let's move on here to 1698. The Bank of England had been already well ensconced for several years, but what you write here is that they really took a leadership control over the economy, didn't they?
Yeah, and this is a very important point that I wanted to get across to the listenership, because this is a demonstration of how and why control of a nation's money is so important and a central bank is so important. Because what they do, they've been in charge for 4 years of the Bank of England, and they just literally overloaded the British money supply. The way that they do that, it started off, the British money supply was £1,250 million, and it went up to 16 million in this 4 years, which is an increase of 1,280%. And we need to explain why they do this. But I'll give an example here. If the money in circulation in a country is £5 million, so the whole money of a country is 5 million, and a central bank is set up and prints another 15 million, this is stage 1 of the plan, and they send out that 15 million into the economy through loans, etc., then that will reduce the value of the initial 5 million, which was all the wealth of that country that was in circulation before the bank was formed. Yep. This is because the initial 5 million that was 100% of the economy is now only 25% of the economy, because you add that to the 50 million they put out there, and that's 25%. Yep. It therefore gives the bank control of 75% of the money in circulation with the 15 million they sent out into the economy. This causes inflation, which is basically the reduction in the worth of money due to the economy being flooded with too much money. Yep. And so if the bank are able to print money out of nothing, then the money that the people were using just to exchange goods and services becomes worth less and less, and these people are kind of just taking more of that all the time. The public then have to borrow money because they can't afford it, and then that's when the banks tighten the money supply, when they've got a lot of it and they tighten it, and people start going into bankruptcies, and then the bank can go out and they can claim real wealth like the farms and the land and the property from the people who were quite happy before they arrived, and now suddenly they find themselves all debt slaves to the bank, or worse, they have nothing and the bank owns everything.
Yeah. This is the boom-bust cycle they've created through debt creation, and we're entering into a period of this in a worldwide way. We're going worldwide with this criminal theft.